How to change language in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change language in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing the language on Netflix is actually quite a simple thing. All you have to do is launch the Netflix application, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now you can choose different languages for different profiles, whether it is the app language you're talking about or whether it is the video language or the movie language. And to change it, just tap the edit button from the top right, select a profile for which you want to change the language. The first is, if you're talking about the app languages, which is called display language, tap on display language here, then select any of the other languages that you might wish over here, and then just come back. Now, the other way you can do this is, if you're talking about audio and subtitle language, the default one, you can select that, and you can select any of the other languages that you would like. And this way you can basically change language on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.